So this is the part of your living area where you can set up, and this is the access for your kitchen area. This is the most spacious and the beautiful coziest room. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jaitil, and today we are here at Asset Micropolis, which is located right here on Harluru Main Road. So this is the Harluru Main Road in Kudlu, South Bangalore. And this project is developed by Asset Group. And today we are here to check out their model flat. Now before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So right now I'm standing on the main entrance of our project. So this will be the main entrance of our project, and our 80-acre of massive land parcel starts from here itself. About the marketing office, so they have built their marketing office inside the land parcel over there itself. Now I know you guys must be wondering what exactly Housey is. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview with the help of this beautiful miniature. So the project is spread across 80 acres of land parcel, which is divided in phases. So currently launched with phase 1 consisting of 5 towers and other towers for future development. All the towers are rising up to 28 floors, starting from 2 basement ground plus 28 floors, having exclusive 3 BHK with 2 different variants and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now about the amenities part, and this project provides you world-class amenities like here's the basketball court, multi-purpose court, cricket pitch, amphitheater, landscape garden. Here's the massive clubhouse with swimming pool and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the location part of the project, and the project is located on Harluru Main Road in Kudlu, South Bangalore. So let me show you the surrounding and the neighborhood of the project. So basically this is the Harluru Main Road, and this road on my right hand side will connect you towards Hosa Road, and the left hand side road will take you towards Kudlu Main Road. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and location of the project. So Happy Big Bazaar is just 500 meters away from the project. Felicity Mall is 1.3 kilometers away. Electronic City Flyover is 1.7 kilometers from the location of the project. So now the wait is over, and this is your 3 BHK model flat of 2,163 square feet super built up area. So let's have a look at this beautiful model flat. So once you enter, there is no direct living or the dining area. They have provided this massive foyer area for your privacy, and then you enter towards your massive living and the dining area. So this is the part of your living area where you can set up your own decors with your sofa set, your couches, even your TV unit, and which has a connecting balcony as well. So you can have a look the huge beautiful balcony with anti-skid flooring, and you can even add up your couch like this over here. Even you can add up the dining table and enjoy your breakfast, a sip of coffee, which connects you towards the nature. And they are providing this balcony with 2-side open view with half wall structure. Now let's move further towards your dining space. And once you step inside, here is your dining space exactly in front of your kitchen area. The huge dining table where you can add up your huge dining table as well, which has this niche area. You can add up your own decors, and this is an access for your kitchen area. So you can check out the interior done by the builder for your reference with the cabinets, the platforms, and here basically this side is your utility space, which is divided via tile roof to avoid the water spillage, with anti-skid flooring, the window for ventilation and lighting purpose as well. Let me show you one more thing in the kitchen area that they have provided, this open window area which open towards your dining area with the easy access. Now we'll be moving further towards your bedroom space, and all the 3 bedrooms are on one side of the house. So you need to take this passage area, and once you enter, right over here is your bedroom number 1. So once you enter, you can have a look at this bedroom, So basically this will be your kids' bedroom with wooden flooring, a huge bed space, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. This is a wardrobe space over here. You can add up a study table like this. Basically they have added up a 2 study table. You can add up your own work table. Now once you step outside, here is your washroom, the common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now about your bedroom number 2 and right over here. So beside your bedroom number 1, this is your bedroom number 2. It can be a parent's bedroom with a huge bed space, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, massive wardrobe area. Here even they have provided a TV unit space. And now, this is your attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now just wait for a while, we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom, but before that let me introduce you all with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and even with 360-degree location tour. So quickly register yourself on www.housey.com and schedule your free site visit. Now about the master bedroom. So once you step out from your bedroom number 2, in front is your master bedroom, and this is the most spacious and the beautiful coziest room of the house, where you can check up here's a master bed, the TV unit space as well, and there is much more space, the ample of space to move around in the room. You can add up your couch here and about the balcony as well. So this is a balcony with anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and this balcony will give you 2-side open view. So basically a private balcony with your master bedroom. And now about your walk-in wardrobe. So this is the walk-in wardrobe, easy for your storage, attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So now as you all know, we are here in Kudlu location. Have you checked another project in Kudlu? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. If you are looking for more details of the project, all is mentioned in the I button. You do not have to roam here and there. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.